Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I'm giving you my review of the Dyson V7 Motorhead. This is the pink one and the one that I wanted the most. I've heard lots of great reviews on it. It is one of the older ones, but it still does what it needs to do. So in today's video, you will see me using the attachments, using the stick vacuum itself, showing you how to empty it, and giving you my honest review at the end of the video. So stick around.
Okay, so this is actually the very first time that I am using this vacuum. I got it for Christmas. I had been wanting one for a very long time, and so I decided on this one because mainly I really liked pink. Pink is my favorite color, so this one really stood out to me. But this is, I would say, one of the older ones. There's many more newer versions out, but for the price and for me wanting to try it first, this one is awesome. I wanted to wait till the end of the video and tell you my full honest opinion, but I'm just going to go ahead and stick it in there that I really like this vacuum cleaner. I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can use it. Used it on the area rug and the laminate, and I can go back and forth, and it's super easy to use. Now I'm going to show you the attachments that this particular model came with. It is the brush attachment, and then this other attachment that I don't know the name for, but it's like the standard long stick with the pointed edge. So it came with two different attachments, and they hang on the charging station, and this will be screwed into the wall where you can store it and charge it. Now I'm just showing you a cute clip of Jack. He got the Dyson ball for Christmas. We are going to vacuum this rug together, and it's just too cute not to include.
I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay.
I also wanted to include some cleaning motivation in this video, so I went ahead and recorded folding the laundry. This is a few loads of laundry that just piled up while I was doing the vacuuming, so we're just gonna get this folded and put away.
What happened? Yeah, you would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah.
And finally, we are finished with that laundry. I am now moving on to using just the handheld part of the vacuum, and this is the next morning that I'm recording this. As you can see, I'm still in my pajamas, but I wanted to use that attachment, and I needed to straighten out these drawers. I have seen a lot of YouTubers using it in drawers, even drawers in your refrigerator, which I'm super excited about to use. It is so easy and so convenient.
Can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. Can't stop.
If you have a Dyson stick vacuum cleaner, let me know below in the comments which one you have. Let me know if you have the one I have or a different one, and let me know how much you like it. I would love to hear what you think about your Dyson vacuum. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I want to let you know that I am back creating content for you. I was off of YouTube for about a month and a half. It seemed like it was forever, but I am back bringing you new content, so please stick around for my next videos. Bye!